Hi YouTube, it's Lynn from WA. I'm at our Inter-Society Orchid Workshop and Display, which we're having in Perth, Western Australia, over today and tomorrow. So today was the setup of the displays and the judging, and I'm just going to do a very quick video of the displays. I have very limited battery time left, so I might not get all the way around, but we'll see what I can just achieve in the limited space I've got on my iPad just at the moment. And this is one of my home societies. This is the Orchid Society of WA, and the theme is early settlers.
Are you the only one to come up? You're the only one to come up?
No, a couple came to help.
And this is supposed to represent the Australian bush.
Well, we got here, I'd agreed to meet at 4 o'clock here. And they're coming all the way up to Fremantle.
And there's a little sign.
It won't take Terry and I a long time later. No, we'll come and help. So I only emailed them Thursday night. So we got here.
This is a bit different. It's just a shade house full of plants. So advertising the person who builds the greenhouses. And there you go, it's chockers full. Sorry about the speed at which I'm going. I'm not going to be able to stop on individual plants. I just don't have the battery power, unfortunately. These are some of our Australian native orchids that come over from the eastern states. I've been growing a few of those myself lately. Okay. Okay, down the centre there are the orchids that were being judged. I don't know what's one, I haven't even had time to have a look yet. I'll probably do this in 2 parts if I've got enough battery power. That looks like a monster Angrecum now. See you tonight.
No, I don't know whose it is. See you tonight.
After this tonight, we've got a dinner on, and everyone's going home now to get their glad rags on. I can't see whose display this is. My orchid garden. This is another one of my societies. This is the Northern District's Orchid Club or Orchid Society. There's some gorgeous plants in this one. I'm so proud to be able to say that I'm a part of a lot of these clubs. This is our sales table where we're selling some supplies. The plant sales table. All these plants will be on sale to the general public tomorrow. I've already been along here and bought what took my fancy this morning.
Yeah, I'll talk to her. Yeah. Just around the corner.
Yeah, I knew that, but I just didn't know, because then if others say, that's why it'll be a decision I'll have to get made.
And just quickly going along. I don't know if the judges have put out any ribbons or anything. I can't see anything. Sarah Jean, one of my favourites. This is going really quite fast. Beautiful cattleyas. Some stunning plants here. cochleata. This looks like an Epicatlia. No, it's a glauca. Paphs, all different sorts of paphs. Size and colour of that one. Species galore. This is one of the Australian famous orchids, Speciosum, Dendrobium. A few hybrids. Oh, they pong. Pterostylis. Pterostylis certa. That's the one I grow. Huge Phalaenopsis. And a tiny Phalaenopsis. And a medium Phalaenopsis. Beautiful little twinkle there, or some such, yep, twinkle. Huge Oncidiae. Oh, and this looks pretty nice. What's this one? Gemellia or Gemellia. Beautiful. Beautiful Arides here. And there's a little Winkerstylis. And look at this, Dendrochilum. How about that? The Dendrochilums just look like grass when they're not in flower, but then when they pop their blooms, they are just stunning. Zygo. Beautiful red paphs. What's this one? Let's have a look. I can't see what it's called. Paphinia. It's beautiful. Another Dendrochilum.